What's, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're playing I Am Cat today. I unlocked some cosmetics and played the game a lot. I have a garage, but I need to actually play the real game first. So let's go to the house and wait for this to do its thing. Okay. Ooh, knife. I have golden. Work, go in. Yes. Now this floating bread. Can I stop it? No, I can't. Oh no, just no. That's good. Crispy brown. Can I cut it? Oh. Let's do these to Grandma. We gotta put it on a plate. Not plate. Gimme. Okay, how can I put this in my mouth? Oh no, I just did it. Well, that sucks. Oh no. Come on. Oh, I think I made a bad decision. I don't think I was supposed to do that. You good, Granny? You good from all that? You good? You good? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You scared me. No fun for you. I need attention. Oh no. I gotta go. My gorilla tag skin. I have golden claws, Granny. You want to sell them? You want to sell them, Gran? Oh no, I don't think she's stopping. Oh, hold on.
You've got to for me.
Yes, I can, Granny. I think she said you can't run from me. Okay, let's go. You're still mad, Gran? Granny? Well, watch this. Fly. Let's fly. Let's fly, Granny. Whee! Oh, it doesn't work? What happened to the flying glitch? Whee! Yes. Okay. Scratch, Granny. Okay, now go. Do yours. This should be fun. Should be really fun. Come here, Granny. Come on. Come on. Okay, Granny. This won't hurt. Well, this actually not hurt because I don't know how to do it. Whoa! That okay. I'll just cut to the part when we guys, I think she's angry. I think she's angry. Granny, no. Grandma, please. You thought. You thought. Ooh. Die, Granny. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna knock down your plate.
Zatraska.
No. Oh no.
You've got to for me.
Yeah. 1738. Hey, I'm like it was a battle. The geography.
Zatraska.
I got a weapon. Oh no. Can I be gone now? I'm gonna scratch her with my golden claw if she gets up.
Zatraska.